everyone, did you like this project? Did you like it? Sorry for my accent. Do you like this project? Did you see the walkthrough? Do you want to make exactly the same with all the same embellishments and decorations and images? Oh, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what's inside the kit. So first of all, you get 5 chipboard pieces, all 1mm thick. You get the black leather look, perfect to use for the 2 mini albums. You will get the clear sheet for the 2 clear pockets that is in that album. You will get this big paper pack of cozy moments. So so this is one set. Normally if I do the tutorial I will talk about one set. This is one set. There are 12 papers, one set. And you will get 6 sets in one paper pack. So one paper pack is included in this kit. So there are 78 sheets in total. Okay, then you will get the ribbons. There is the embellishment set with all the little pieces inside. There is the flower set, and of course the lace is inside, and there is a little instruction sheet, a little welcome note, but I still have to make it. Alright, so that's inside the kit. Hope you liked it, and email me if you like to order, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Check it out. Bye bye. You will find the email below this video. Bye bye. Till next time.